I'm PinkFox and I do music for a living. My favorite song so far is my most recent song, which is Style. Me have a style when me want give you, 'cause you be really, really naughty. Girl, me see say you want me, fi fuck up your belly like audio. And cuff you make it ball, make it scream oh Lord. Oh, girl, everybody want it, oh yeah. I'm PinkFox and I do music for a living. I'm from Maypen, Clarendon. I grew up in Maypen. I went to the Central High School. That's where I started music. Each year I would play a different instrument until I started playing the piano. And then graduated from high school, went to Edna Manley School of Music. I did jazz piano. And then I dropped out after 2 years, and about 2 years ago, or a little bit over a year ago, I started the artist journey. Actually, I started the artist journey like 4 years ago, but I didn't start releasing music until I have enough knowledge to get where I see myself. So, yeah, started the whole music career thing about 2 years ago. Mind blowing, as a matter of fact, where I'm at right now. But at the same time, I know that it's because I studied before I just started releasing music like everybody else. Yeah. So I'm sure you've heard the song, "Baby, don't take my kindness for weakness." So that person is Glenn Washington, one of the legendary reggae singers. He's my granduncle, the brother of my grandmother. So the music come from that side of my family. He recently found out that I did music, and we started connecting differently. So yeah, we good. I was interested in music from ever since I know myself. But I got into the music when I started high school, the first week of high school actually. I was playing the recorder, and some guy in my class told the music teacher I can play very well, and him said come call me, and then from that day I'm just take it up. I got the name PinkFox in school probably about 2 years ago. My nickname was really Swiper, but one of my friends, he decided not to call me Swiper because it's on white, according to them, and he called me Gallon Fox instead. And then we just kind of take that and switch it up a little bit. The color represents the female gender is pink. It kind of corny still. I'm just put that together. Call myself the Gallon Fox. It's really the Gallon Fox, but PinkFox. My sound or style of music is a mixture of dancehall, R&B, pop, Afrobeat. Some of my biggest musical influences are Ella Fitzgerald. She's a jazz singer. Chris Brown, Tory Lanez, Dexter Daps. Pretty much all of the R&B artists, because I listen to a variety of music, so pretty much all of the R&B artists. How I get my songs done is I have to have the beat in my head. I listen at all time, and the lyrics and the melody comes at the same time. I can't put on the melody without the lyrics, or the lyrics without the melody. I don't write anything until I'm actually finished with the song, so I pretty much just sit down on the mic, vibe the beat until I'm finished. One of the biggest obstacles I would say is the money to invest in the career. When you don't have a team behind there or anything like that, and you're doing everything by yourself, you kind of find it really hard to get to the next step. That's the biggest obstacle. Some of the artists I'd like to collaborate with: Chris Brown, sure. Dexter Daps, Valiant, Stark Ashley, sure. Chanel, Jada, Shensia. There's a lot more, but I can't remember right now. Pretty much all of the dancehall artists then. So I see myself on all of the biggest shows you can possibly think of. Like Rolling Loud. I can't name all of them right now, but that's an example of how big I want the performance to be. The best piece of advice I've gotten so far from a friend: stay connected, don't lose yourself, stay consistent and disciplined. And that's the advice I'd like to give to all of the other artists that try the damn thing. The next step is what I'm doing currently. And the reason why I say it's the next step is because it's working, and it's pretty much just for that to now get done on a bigger scale, or it's just for me to do that on a bigger scale, which is what is going to get me closer to the goal. I have a set goal in my mind, and I know exactly what to do to get there, and I'm doing that right now. It's hard. I don't really want to say what I do right now, but the next step is to start doing some stage shows and, you know, getting people to know me on a bigger scale. If I'm not studying the music or doing music, then I'm probably on TikTok or Instagram or watching a movie or something. But it's always something where I gotta just do something for my music. I'm very active on social media, so my fans can stay connected to me there. Or my supporters, I really don't like to say fans, can stay connected to me there. I always respond to comments and answer DMs and all of that. So social media is the best place to stay connected. I use TikTok and promote. As a matter of fact, I don't do paid ads or nothing like that. I use TikTok to do all of the promotions. Like every single view or stream a song has, it comes from a promotion video that I did on TikTok. So yeah, TikTok and Instagram. TikTok and Instagram is the only platforms I use to, you know, promote my music. My first video that went viral, I knew it was going to go viral. But it's like TikTok is a platform where it's like you can't really predict anything, because you can post a video and you get 10 views right now, and then like you post it an hour later and it just blow. But I expected it to go viral, so I already have the feeling when it actually started going viral, which the feeling was very, make it now. But it's like, of course we never make it, but it's just a feeling like, yo, this is what it feel like when you get notification. This is what a celebrity feels like, because, you know, you get notification like right through the day. So like the entire week I was like, yo, this is how you feel like, you know? But yeah, I already know before I release it still. But yeah, big up DP for make this possible, and big up my pops, because I wouldn't dare wish for me there right now without him, because I'd say pretty much my manager. No, yeah, I'd say my pops is my manager, but you know nothing about management still. You know, I do all of the work and all of that, but if he never that help me financially, maybe they was probably there right now. So big up to my pops. You can stream my music on all of the digital platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, pretty much all of them. This is PinkFox, and I'm representing for only in 876.
Girl, you want me spend all of me money, but you know